Okay, guys, I'm going to clean up real quick, and I pulled out my Shark steam mop. So I just want to get this little area right here. So it's on. You see these three things lighting up? It's on. I'm going to put it on this one that says deep. The middle one is normal, and the first one is light. So I'm going to put it on deep. Just want to clean right up in here. Real quick. I don't need a lot. I just want to, I get a little, how people just, I don't know how they be dropping little drops everywhere, and I look down a lot. So I see it. And I'm like, ugh, I gotta get that. I just don't like to see these little drips on this very light floor. And this floor is very light. Very light. Let me see how far I can go. I can't because see how far I can get over here. This is really nice to just do a real quick mop, a steam mop, and just get it going. And that's what I got here. Okay, just another review of my Shark steam mop. And I'm loving it.